So today, I'm out here in Smyrna, Georgia. I craved for some Jamaican food after the first soul food place was closed when I got there. That's a note to self call. So I was going to Rodney's, but when I pulled up, the Pirate's Boil was looking at me. I was like, huh. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm limping from last night. Injury to the knee. Thank you, Miss D, for loaning me your skates. Now I'm limping. So, from there, I'm going for the Pirate's Boil. That's right. They even gave me a rental car with Cali plates on it. Hey, it's all good. Y'all should have seen the car I had before. Ooh, it was small. This one ain't so bad, but the other one was smaller. Gotta go. We about to see what's going on up in here. Real talk. Then we just gonna pour it onto the thing. Let me get it over here. Y'all got a bib up in here? Yeah, I need a bib because I don't need to get Pirate's Ball. Yeah, that part. I originally came in here actually following just off of Google some Jamaican food I had on my mind. But when I pulled up in the driving, I saw this crab. I said, crab? Let me see what that do. As you can see, it is gone. Young lady, where are we at?
The Pirate's Boil.
In what city are we in?
Smyrna, Georgia.
Smyrna, Georgia. So if y'all want some good seafood boil, I'm just saying this is where you need to be at. I'll take a check now.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
That.
Hey, I'm just saying, letting y'all see what I see. Y'all seen that seafood boil come in with them crabs and them shrimps, eggs, potatoes. Man, it's gone. Sweet tea, yeah. One of the best meals I've had since I've been out here. Hey y'all, I'm over here at Thunder Tower West looking for my man Flacco, aka Adam Garcia, to see what he was up to today, but he's not in today. So my sister was talking about getting one of these. This is cute and all. It's got a little bit of space back here, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it does. Nice. I guess if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. Time to cash out. Oh, here's that Harley Davidson bike that goes best of both worlds, they say. Nice folks right there. Look like this one might be used. May have seen some ride and whatnot. I think they even make a electric version of something around here. Oh, there it is right there.
No, ma'am, you have to return it at the store that it was bought. No problem, have a nice one.
So tell America where we at today.
Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson, which one though?
Georgia, black owned.
Oh, black owned, hey. And we are called what? Name of the Harley Davidson dealership?
Thunder Tire West.
Ah, that's the part I was looking for. I'll say, see, it's Harley Davidson nothing, but you know, I respect y'all if y'all ain't on two. If you're on two wheels, scooter, dirt bike, whatever, as long as you're on the ground doing it, but HD is where I be at right now. Okay, so we're gonna get it in, get it out. My man Flacco, I came through to see you, but you ain't here today, so we're gonna holler at you a little later. Money's Car Stereo, checking out with you. Give me two of them poker chips. Let's go with this purple one and that one right there. Hey, this could be you, but you're not here. That's all I got to say. For those who asked me about that cup holder life, the cup holder that I saw on all my travels to have is the one right here. Now, this is the small one or the big one?
It's not the big ass cup one. That's the regular one.
Okay, so the big ass one, it says big ass cup holder on it?
That's exactly what it says.
It says big ass cup holder on it. This is the one right here because of the way the net is meshed and it holds on to your drink a lot better.
Right,
so I'm telling y'all, that's the one to get right there. If you need a cup holder in your life on them long rides, that one right there. Tip of the day. Gotta go. I told y'all I'm steady on the move. Look. That's where I'm at now. I just told them I just ate seafood. Now they saying, Rob, let's take you out. I'm like, man. Oh, once again, it's on. Let's see what they're talking about over here. Y'all got y'all pad? Y'all got y'all handy pad in there? What happened to Olivia? What happened to Olivia?
I don't know where Olivia.
She wasn't there with y'all? Okay, that sneaky girl, because I had told her. Hey, y'all, got that salmon life for you. Tell you, last night in town, gotta keep doing it. What you got with it, Bill?
I got shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits. Okay, what you got over there?
I got some catfish.
You got some catfish and salmon? My little sis over there, Miss Garner, and there's Big Bill over there. That's all right, yep. And you know who I be. It's time to eat some food. Gotta go. And oh yeah, of course, I'd like to give a big shout out to all the peoples who, what's a good word? Greeted me in the ATL. From Chris Exclusive Sounds to Ballhead Customs, the Big Sale, you know, and all the people I didn't get a chance to hook up with. JT, I was looking for you. Mr. Garcia, I was looking for you. But most of all, I got to see my mother and talk to her, check in with her and make sure she's all right. But once again, to the ATL, salute. I'll see you again in the future.